All right, boys, we should be live. Let me know. We should be good though. I will be we'll be doing this for a little bit tonight. Not sure how long. I really wanted to try to go to sleep tonight early. It's already what, 1 a.m. So yeah, that's tough. But we're gonna try our best here. Dom just gifted 5 members. My boy Dom just gifted 5 members. We didn't even get started yet tonight. Dom, thank you so much, bro. I appreciate that, man. Holy smokes. All right, man. Well, hey, let's get that up there. Armor, what's good? Sean, what's good? Dylan, Jasper, Xerox, Insane, Chicken Stairs, Huggy. Dom, thank you so much, though, bro. Holy smokes, boys. He just gifted 5. Getting the stream going on a very positive note right there. Dom, thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Who got gifted, guys? Make sure y'all drop a thank you to our boy Dom. He, no joke, just dropped 5 gifted, guys. What's up, K-Lou, Jasper, L, Nick? You see the trading? I did not. Melon, what's up, bro? Melon, I think you just got a member, didn't you? Hockey, what's good? How was my day? My day was pretty good today. Not gonna lie, I didn't really do too much, but here we are, man. Here we are. I'm trying to fix my sleep schedule. It's not really going too well, but you're good, Tank Boss. I don't even remember what you said, man. But Armored, yo, Armored, thank you for that. I appreciate that. Heck yeah, guys. Thank you so much. Seriously, let's go. Man, I still haven't got gifted for a while. I don't know how to turn it on. Just go look it up. Look up a quick video how to turn on gifted. Yeah, guys. So listen, real quick before I get into this, making stuff here and whatnot. Listen, make sure you turn on gifted memberships. Otherwise, you will never have a chance at actually getting one. I think so. This is what you do. This is all you got to do. Ready? I'll tell you right now. You see where Dom just gifted those 5 memberships up at the top there? Click that, and then it should ask you if you want to turn on gifted memberships. Click yes. Jake S, yes, man. I'm gonna be going to see that Megan movie. I don't know when it comes out, but I will be there. Yo, what's up, Shark Dino Box? Everyone who's on Kick, thank you guys. Yo, if you guys are maybe not new here, but you guys don't know, we're not really like fully transitioning over to Kick, but we are gonna be streaming other games on Kick. So I have it up there right now. I'm just streaming this too. We have a new goal. New goal is gonna be getting 75 active people over on Kick. That's we need a goal. We need to do that in order to get into the partner program, which then Kick pays you pretty much like a normal job to just stream a certain amount of hours per week. So that's the new goal right now. That's the goal. I'm gonna try to make it happen. So if you guys have Kick, come check it out. But otherwise, let's get on into this. So today, guys, let me just show you kind of where we're at. I kind of just hopped on. I fixed the bug from this morning when I showed you guys the game. But in here right now, when you actually go up to the truck, hopefully it all works. We should be able to just get out now. As you guys can see, we're able to just get right on out. So before, earlier in the day, when we walked up to the truck and we clicked exit, basically our character would stay in there. And then when I fixed that, I had a new bug where my guy was like floating on an invisible seat right here in the middle of the air for some reason. I don't know why, but he was. So we're chilling. TMMO, can I help you make one? How far are you? Let me get that, K-Lou. Let me get what? Kick, you should. Go check it out. I'm serious. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna be streaming all the other games that we've been playing. Oh, yo, I just actually snuck through the wall right there. That's obviously not supposed to happen. So to fix that, let's just go ahead and do that real quick right now, guys, because obviously that's not supposed to happen. So let's go ahead, fix that up. So how are we gonna fix that, you may be asking? I think I have an idea. So well, for right now, keep in mind the truck is kind of out in the middle of the open right here, right? In the future, maybe there's going to be like, some walls kind of like, I don't have the maps made yet. I don't have the lobby map actually made, and we're probably not going to be using this lobby map. It's just not big enough, and honestly, I have something that looks a lot better. Only me and Pretzel know about it. I can maybe show you guys in a little bit, but it's looking really good. I think I got kicked. What do you mean? You mean you got kicked or you got kicked? What do you mean by that? Any toilet tower today, Box? I'm not sure yet, man. I'm not sure yet, bro. But let's fix this real quick. I have an idea. So the entrance right here, this little wall. Now, once again, this doesn't really matter right now because, well, it does matter right now. But the only reason it matters is because of the way the whole truck is, okay? So we'll do that. You can't even collide with it. But as long as, the player walks near the truck, basically, then they'll get teleported right on into the truck. So if I click play now, let's go take a look. And let's see here. What's up, Visor? Epic. The game name is going to be like World War II Tower Defense or something like that. Armored's over there on Kick. Thank you guys for tuning in on the Kick. We're gonna build that up slowly but surely. But yeah, there we go. So, oh, look at that. See, we just had that bug happen again. I don't know why that would happen, but it's one of the issues that we have been coming across here. I mean, you guys can kind of see, like, it's very strange. I don't know why that would be happening. I mean, you're in my group. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Anyone have any ideas? Check DMs. Let me check DMs real quick. Anyone have any ideas? Yeah, we could have that pretzel at some point for sure. I don't think I remember you. Enzo, of course I remember you. I know, Mafia. What do you know, man? What do you know for me? What do you got? Anything? Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry about that, boys. But what do you guys got for me? Not bro sitting midair. I don't know why it does that. Now, of course, as soon as I fixed that last issue, now this one pops back up. Super, super strange. You can never win, can ya? You can never win. Just nothing can be super, super simple. Shark, you're watching on both? Heck yeah, man. It's, guys, the stream is full screen over on Kick, by the way. I'm doing shorts here because that way it has a better chance of actually growing. But I feel like maybe the entrance thing could be a little bit better. Instead of, like, walking up and hitting the random part, right? What if we did... Now that I'm thinking about it, maybe it would be just better if you kind of like clicked up like E to go into the thing. I don't know, like a Q type thing, but you know, as you guys can see there, I mean, it definitely works. Don't get me wrong, but I don't know why when I TP out, it's making me sit like this, guys. Super weird. I literally just fixed it. So, did you see the trading channel on Discord? No. What's in the trading channel on Discord, guys? I actually have no idea what y'all are talking about. But we have a lot of stuff in here that is supposed to make me not sit when I get out of there. Is it a free model? Is what a free model? The truck? The truck is, man, but I made the seats work the way they work right now. That has nothing to do with it being a free model, bro. All right. Let's see here. There's no point. Listen, free model. If you guys think that that's a bad thing in games if people are using free models, then you obviously are not a dev, because listen, I am not getting paid to make this game. If I was, I would go out of my way and make free, or like, you know, actual models, bro. But this model, you can't get anything better than this, man. It would make no sense. That's just stupid, bro. I'm not gonna be an idiot. Like, if people want a game, they're gonna get a game like this, all right? Then I gotta get some $1 million product here, brother. I'm not getting even paid to even make this, man. So we'll try our best. Where will the truck go? The truck's not going anywhere, guys. Basically, this is what happens. Right now, obviously, it's not supposed to do that, but watch. This is what would happen. If I click start, it goes like this. And then you're gone. You're going over there. Caleb, you got kick? Hey, let's go. So that's what happens when you teleport. But obviously, I am in studio, so I can't teleport right now. But I also don't really know why the truck is once again making that sit bug happen. So if I click exit, it's fine the first time. Second time is fine. Third time is fine. What is going on, guys? See, look at that. Why is it doing that? And now it's good? Do you want a sugar apple? There was one in stock in Grow Garden. Is it in stock right now, guys? If it's in stock right now, let me know. I'll go scoop it up real quick. Anytime there's something good, I'll go scoop it up. Pink, honestly, I should ban you for that name. So I'll give you like 5 minutes to go change your name. Dude, I literally don't care what your name is, but since it's family friendly here, go change your name, all right? But try sitting in it for a second, then getting out. All right, let's try sitting in it for a second or two, and then we'll get out. Still good. I don't know why it did that. I don't know. Really weird, right? Maybe it's good. Maybe it's not. About to go to Kick. Yeah, we're live on Kick, guys. Anyone who wants the full screen version of the stream, come over to Kick. We'll be chilling over there, and yeah. For right now, we're just gonna be on both because, listen, guys, remember the new goal. What's up, Rexy? How you doing, brother? What's good? What's good? Right now, though, guys, the goal is to get to 75 people on Kick. Obviously, you know, hopefully we can do that, but you know, it's gonna take some time, obviously, probably because this channel is pretty much cooked, guys. But sugar apple is not in stock. Dang. All right, well, if there's anytime there's a good one in stock, let me know. I will come on over and I will go scoop that up. But in the meantime, let's keep working on this game and seeing how far we could actually get today. Now, this truck is pretty much good to go, and I'm not gonna really do some other stuff. What do you consider good stock? Armor, I mean, anything that's like maybe mango and above, or mango and down, probably that's good. Can you show the chat my late Sherman model or not? You want some input? Yeah, if you put it in the Discord, like this one. Well, that one's not yours, right? That one's like the what's it called? Isn't that one something that you just like looked up, right? Just make it where you jump when you exit. Just make it where you jump when you exit. That wouldn't be as clear, Mafia, but I mean, if you jump up, you get off the seat. So The seats are really stupid in Roblox. I don't know how John Roblox got his game to work as well as he did with his like vehicles, because I've tried literally everything, and even if you go ahead and try to anchor your stuff, dragon fruit's good too. Yeah, I would count that as well. Definitely count the dragon fruit for me too if that comes in stock, because we could definitely use one of those. But you sent the image. Oh, you already sent it? You already made it just now, or did I show the wrong one? Oh, this one. Yeah, so this is one of the ones we have right now. Like I told Pretzel already, I still think that the textures, we need like real textures. That's the only thing, man. And I think we need real textures because once again, I'm going for a realistic game. Like this is like the type of textures I even though it's not perfect, don't get me wrong, that is not perfect at all. But from back here, that looks like really, really good, you know? I mean, if you get close up, it's like, yeah, you know, whatever. Obviously, I think if we got close up, yours probably looks better. But the fact of realism here, it looks pretty solid. I mean, the model itself is beautiful. The model itself is perfect. I just think we really got to nail the textures. If you can't figure out the textures, Chicken, we're going to sub you in off the bench, and maybe you can figure out some good textures. Because Chicken, he was the guy that made a lot of the textures for the bikes in the bike battles game. So maybe he could help out in that. And that can maybe go, you know, from there. Hey, let's see. How much of World War II have you learned about to make this game? Tank Boss, I mean, I know a lot about World War II from just playing a lot of games and, you know, school and stuff. So I didn't really have to look up anything as at the moment. But Pretzel, invite Chicken to our test server. Chicken, he's a trustworthy person. Get him in the test server, and maybe he could help us out with some textures, because you're more of the model maker, and he could be maybe more of a texture type guy. And then we could go for some more realistic, like even this is a very good Jeep, but once again, like I just feel like that personally doesn't fit. Like it's not that it's ugly, it's just that it's just like plasticky, you know? 40 seconds to restock. All right, let me know if it's anything good. What's up? Favorite unit in your game, right? We don't really have many units yet, but I guess at the moment, maybe the PPSH guy. I always like that gun in Call of Duty, so I like it here too. Sorry that it's been a while. Have you gotten any new sponsors lately, Rexy? Nah, man. Remember they scammed me, bro? So we're never going to work with Stream Elements ever again unless they pay me the money I'm owed. But yeah, I mean, so far so good with this, guys, honestly. You should make it say entering the battlefield instead of teleporting. I could. I have similar ideas, but honestly, the teleporting itself is... Well, the thing is, that's not even the loading screen, guys. So once again, when I go in here, watch, it's probably going to make me get that ball. Let me just test this one more time. It's probably going to get me sitting down on the seat. Ready? No? Okay, it actually didn't. I don't know why it's not doing that, but let's click start. So this right here, right? This is just the pre-teleport. And then you're going to get hit with the loading screen, probably. And that's going to be something a little bit different, maybe. I'm not too sure yet, but we'll see. Now, I don't know why it just did that. It hit like a double teleport there. It looked a little weird, but it's once again probably bugged because of you can't teleport in a Roblox studio, which is really weird. There's 4 cactuses. Are those even worth my time? If they're worth my time, I'll go check it out maybe, but I kind of thought that those weren't really any good. What's the stream's plan for tonight, Sky? Well, we're going to sit here. We're going to work on the game for a little bit. If we hit our goal, we're going to hop on over and play some Among Us tonight. And if not, then we're going to sit here for like maybe an hour or two. We'll see. I don't want to stay up too late tonight. So the only way I'm staying up super late is if we're playing Among Us. If we're not playing Among Us, then I'm trying to go to sleep at least around 3 because I got to get up early for the weekend. So I really got to be prepped for that. I got to get up at like 7 a.m. on the weekend, and obviously it's already 1 a.m. but like, I stayed up for the most of the day. I did fall asleep, took a little nap today, but that's all right. But anyways, I think that the truck is all good, guys. I could go in here, we could just publish this real quick. Like, let's just save this and publish, and I'm gonna go test this in game, and let's go find out here. Let's just go see, guys, if this is all good. It's Thursday. You still have Friday. I still have Friday, but that doesn't mean it's gonna be any better on Friday. Does not mean it's going to be any better. All right, let me hop into a lobby here real quick, and then we're actually going to start working on our stuff. What's Kick? It's basically Twitch, but it's green. That's the best way to describe it. What streaming platform do you use? What do you mean, Armored? Like, as in, which one am I looking at? I have both chats open, if that's what you mean, and if you don't mean that, I'm not sure, like, if you're talking about like if I watch people stream, I don't really, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't really watch people stream. I feel like if you're actually doing it yourself, it's like when you're not streaming, the last thing you want to do is go watch someone stream. That's like the last thing you would want to do. You would understand. You will understand. I know you said you wanted to start streaming games, I think, so you'll get it. All right, let's try this out, guys. Here we go. Let's see if this works. Hopefully it does. So you get to the teleporting. Boom, that's perfect. That is so smooth, guys. Look at that. Bang. Why, Shark? I don't know, man. I'm honestly more of a video guy. Oh, like Streamlabs? Oh. Yeah, I just use regular OBS, guys. Yeah, I mean, you did an account. Eleanor, you made an account on Kick? Heck yeah. Guys, if you make an account on Kick, go drop a follow. We need 17 more followers on Kick to crack 100 followers. I need all your help, boys and girls. All your help. Seriously, guys, listen, it means a lot. If we could crack 75 viewers on Twitch, or sorry, Twitch. So I used to say Twitch from back in the OG days. Kick is a brand new thing for me. If we could crack 75 active on Kick, guys, we could get into this partner program where basically all I gotta do is just stream all day and we're getting paid. If we make it in, we could potentially get paid just a straight up normal paycheck just from Kick alone. And then the streams are gonna be so chill all the time. We can play whatever the heck we want. We could do Among Us all day, every day. But anyways, let's get out of here. So we won that match. We should have got that extra win right there. Let's exit out. Let's see if that teleportation all works. Yep. And then from yesterday, you guys probably remember, we actually had these unequipped. Now they stay equipped, so that's really good. Oh, Eleanor, you did make one. Heck yeah, Eleanor, thank you. Guys, keep in mind too, we will be doing other games, not here on the YouTube, but if you guys want to watch like me play COD, me play Rust, me play something else, maybe even Minecraft or Terraria one day, that'll all be happening over on the Kick channel. So as long as you guys are followed, I don't even think that I don't think notifications are an issue on Kick, which is amazing. I think it's straight up, if you are followed, it's not like YouTube. I think you actually get notified, which is so sick. John, when's this coming out? It's gonna be coming out hopefully soon, man. I'm pretty much like really close to being done, guys. Like I have everything working for the most part. Like units, look at this. Unequip all, bang, they're all unequipped, right? We want to equip some units. I mean, you know, obviously that works. We want to unequip them again, boom. You want to sell some units? I mean, here we go. We can go ahead in here and sell all these guys. And, you know, it counts up, tallies how many you're actually selling down here. So right now we got 12, you know, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So now if we could confirm, it'll tell you like, hey, you know, you're selling 17, and it'll tell you exactly how much each will sell for, which is super good. So you click yes, boom, there you go. You got your coins, you're good. You want to summon some more? We can work on this today, guys. This could be one of the things we actually work on, where we try to fill in the percentages here. But for example, the Ardent's crate, we summon 10, and bang, there you go. Summon 10 units just like that, and fades away like that. It's pretty nice. So you'll play it, Rexy? Heck yeah, man. It's gonna be fun. You feel weird, Sky, doing that? It's funny. It's funny. Yeah, I got you. Can I be a tester for the game? Shark, I have not even considered who's going to be testing stuff yet, but we'll see, bro. We'll see. Santra, it's going to be called World War II Tower Defense, and the Sniper, what's up, buddy? TAAV2, what's up, guys? Hello. Guys, it's going to be called World War II Tower Defense. If you want to join my group, here, I'll get y'all the link real fast. Y'all could join my group on Roblox, so that way you are prepared for it when the game does come out. Obviously, you can't join yet. You know, you can't join quite yet. If you're maybe a moderator in the game, like what do you call it, Armored, you might be able to join. Sky, you might be able to join. I'm not too sure if it'll actually let you or not because it's privated, but you could try. You might be able to. I don't know though. I actually think you might be able to be honest with you. But here, let me go grab my community for you guys, because I see actually quite a few new people in the chat here. So this is my community, boys, and if you want to, you know, get ready to play the game when it comes out, go join that. If you guys don't have it on Kick or whatever, there you guys go. The links will definitely work on Kick, so that's great. And we're gonna be good. What's up, Daxton? How you doing, man? So yeah, change the Kick because I said so. Heck yeah, Sean. Get over to Kick, boys. Get over to Kick. If you want to see the full screen, I mean, you don't have to, but like I said, if you guys want to watch us play other games eventually at some point, like we're gonna be trying to transition, at least hopefully a lot of you guys will come with me over to Kick and hang out when we play some fun stuff. You guys will be able to play with us too in some of these days when we're playing things like that. The only good thing is Godly Sprinkler. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. You don't have Kick yet, Riot Cat? Hey, no worries, bro. You got plenty of time. There's no rush, man. If you don't want to make it, don't make it. If you want to make it, come over and check it out. All right, man, it'll be fun. How many did we get any new followers on Kick yet? Looks like we got one. Hey, there we go. 16 more. We'll crack that 100 mark tonight, baby. My membership though, I know. The membership, don't worry. It's gonna be It's gonna be there forever for sure. I'm just working on a texturing that tank. Chicken, let me know how that goes. Let's see. There is no... Wait. I'm not going to transition. Why should I transition to kick when all I'm watching is you? There is no point to do that, tank boss. I'm not sure what you mean by that, bro, because I'm going to be over on kick streaming other games. That would be why. But anyways, let's actually get to work doing some stuff here, guys, because I want to actually get this thing finished up. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. Let's see what we can figure out today. I was planning on like more so organizing code. This code in here is relatively organized pretty well, but there's probably some stuff in here that could be fixed and could be a little bit cleaner. I'm not 100% sure exactly what yet, but I'll find some stuff, guys. I'll tell you that. I don't know why we have a summons cooldown type thing going on here, to be honest with you guys. That's something that I don't know why is even right there. We could probably just move that. Let's just delete that, move that up to the top, because yeah, I don't know why I have that there, to be honest with you guys. I mean, obviously it's being used, I think, but I don't know why it's down there towards the bottom. What's up, Air 404? What's up, buddy? How you doing? Now, some of this other stuff, guys, this is where we are gonna have to figure this out. The fact that I'm ranking the group is a normal player. Oh, it's a normal player right now. Is it really? Oh, dang. I swear you were ranked up. Maybe it's Emily that's ranked up. I think it might actually be Emily. Sorry about that. Yeah, you let the little tease there. But anyways, guys, we got these crates right here now, okay? Now, these crates are something that we definitely are gonna want to, you know, put into, like, its own module script here, I think. So, let's see if I could clutch up here and make an actual module script without having to do, like, you know, like, hopefully anything, you know. We'll see how that goes. But it's gonna be something like this, theoretically. So let's just grab this. We'll go back into here. We'll just copy and paste. This is gonna be called crate, you know, chances, or just maybe crate script or something. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. You know what I'm saying? So crate script. If I could spell, though. I can't spell correctly, guys. That doesn't help. What's up, Gray J44? It is looking great, J44. Heck yeah, man. One day at a time, boys. One day at a time. That's all I could tell you. But hey, I can't believe how far we've actually made it in this, you know, thing here. Like, seriously, it's been going on for a while. Actually, let's see. Is this even good? It should probably be crate chances, right? I don't know. I feel like that's the wrong thing. I found your Roblox account, gamer. Yeah, it's LT, or I am LT Crazy, guys, if you're wondering. I feel like crate chances makes a little bit more sense because, technically that's kind of what it is, right? I feel like crate script just doesn't seem right to me. I don't really like the name of that, so I am going to just fix that right now and make it a little bit nicer. There we go. So here we go. This is where we're gonna have to try to figure this out, guys. Now, I might have to use AI to get it to work. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna try my best to make it work without using AI. Okay, I'm gonna try. I can't guarantee it, but I will try. Okay, mark my words, I'm gonna try. Just bear with me here, because it may or may not be a total flop, but let's see what we could do. If I could just copy all of this, right, and we just move this all over here, I don't know if that's gonna work, but you know what? Let's give it a shot. All right, so let's just take a look here. See, this is where it might need to get that, like, that might not be exactly the way we need it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if that's the right format, but you finally got to 1 billion, Bunny. Good job, man. Good job. Heck yeah. So in here, guys, one thing that is also pretty important. Well, actually, one thing too. This one right here, that's not supposed to be in there. That was used for testing. So let's ignore him and let's just get rid of that guy because we don't really need that. Okay, so first of all, let's get rid of that. That's gonna be really good. But we are also, like, one of these streams, we're gonna have to go in here, right? And we're actually gonna have to go through and, like, set up all of the individual crates with the actual individual units, because right now, if you guys are reading this correctly, you guys could probably notice that all of these crates are the same exact, you know, things, and that's because those are the only units that I actually have in the game for at the moment. But once again, you know, just give me some time with that. We're gonna figure that all out. Now, we have this, right? I don't necessarily know, you know, if I were to go ahead and, like, call this in the main, like, script here, the core script, I don't know if it's gonna work or not, so bear with me. let's try it out. Try it out together here, and we're gonna see if it's actually gonna work or not. If it does, we're a miracle worker. If it doesn't, well, just know I tried my best. All right. But there we go. Let's get all that out, and then we're gonna obviously have to require this. Module scripts have to be ran externally from the require function to be written. Oh, I know how to do it. Don't worry. I got you. Yep. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. We're just gonna go ahead and copy this and paste it right below, and then call it, man. We're gonna see if it works. If it don't, then we're gonna you know, debug from there. But for right now, this is gonna be the setup for now, at least. All right, boys. Let's try that out. So we have it here. We're requiring it, and then we're obviously gonna have to, you know, call it to the game. So I forget. Like, I just want to make sure how to do that. I think you just do create chances and then like the two parentheses, or yeah, whatever, the brackets or whatever. I think it might be brackets, I'm not sure, but we'll have to see. So let's just check the Game Pass service real quick and just see how I did that one, because obviously, you know, we're no pro at this. So let's just kind of like go through and make sure I am potentially doing this correctly. Now, what's really weird is I don't even know if I'm using that. That's super strange, but this is not the right thing. So let's make sure we call the correct name there. But anyways, why would I not be using that? Maybe I just thought I was going to use it, and then maybe I just ended up not using it at all. That could be very, very possible, but I'm not sure, guys. Rarity something, right? What was it? Rarity chance or something like that. We'll go take a look at this. Yeah, I remember you, Ely. I added you to my game as a special unit. Dang, there you go. It's cool. Some frost weather just started. Heck yeah. Let's see here. Let's see. The Gamer Ho-Ho, are you really on the kick right now talking trash? 11 views and 84 followers. Are you going to say that's bad right now? Because I have 570,000 on YouTube right now, and I have like probably 20 viewers over there. So if you want to talk trash, don't do it on the kick. 13 to 84, that's a good ratio, brother. Right there, we're looking pretty solid. But if you want to come talk trash, come on over to the YouTube, brother. All right. Rarity. What was I going to do? Rarity prices. So, oh, here we go. Rarity prices dot. That's not it. Is that it? Maybe it is. That's got to be it, guys. I just would have figured. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's definitely it. I mean, that's all she is right there, I guess. Bro, oh, you're watching on both? Oh, okay, yeah, there you are. Heck yeah. All right, so little bit not too sure on how to do that. I'm gonna start making a military cannon. I think we already have an AA gun, if that's what you mean, but we could use some artillery, guys. They'll be kind of like the snipers. I'm gonna get some snipers, guys, and the snipers are gonna be those type of units that could only go up on like high surfaces like this, and then probably same for the artillery guys as well. I think that would make a lot of sense. That would probably be pretty solid. See, we got some AA guns here. Those are pretty solid models, but once again, they're just not the vibe that I'm really looking for. Like, they look really good, don't get me wrong. Like, they look really good, but it's just not realistic. I don't know, I just want the game to look realistic. I just think it looks so much better that way, but I don't know, we'll see. Captain Smiles with the $3 super chat. Yo, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that, man. Let's go. What does that bring us up to tonight? 29. Heck yeah, man, a quarter of the way there already. Let's go. All right, anyways, with that being done now, let's see what we're gonna need to do here, because once again, we're gonna have to call that script, right, or whatever that is called there. So if I could maybe just put it like right here somewhere or something like that. I don't know if that's how you would even do it. Maybe not. I know I've done it down here in not that one. Let's just X out of that one. I know I've done it in this one before. I've like required stuff and then I've used it. So for example here, like this right here, yeah, this is what it is. Dot. Okay, that's exactly the setup that I'm gonna need to be doing. So we'll take that back on over to here. We'll paste it in like that, and then with this crate chances thingy, we'll go grab that. If I can find it again, there she is. Boom, boom, and maybe that'll work. Maybe it won't. I have no idea. But you guys want to find out with me? Let's do it. Let's see. Is it gonna break? Okay, so it attempted to call a nil value. Why would it be doing that? Explain that one to me. Explain that one to me. Why would that be empty? Because we obviously, you know, obviously it ain't empty. You know what I'm saying? We have a lot. We have quite a bit of stuff in there, but clearly it's empty. The one thing that I could think of, which is kind of a possibility is like this is like closed up here. So maybe if I put that down here, right? No, that doesn't work. Okay, that doesn't work, boys. So we can't do that. That's not going to be the way we do it. Let's just see. Is this? We're just gonna ask if this is set up correctly, and then we'll go from there. It looks like it to me. Once again, I don't know what I'm doing. So, is this module script correct? Question mark. Just ask. We'll see. Why is kick slightly backwards? What do you mean slightly backwards? Like delayed a little bit? Because YouTube has literally 0 delay on streams, which is awesome. But kick, I don't think has that. All right, so here we go. What's wrong? This is just an empty table. Obviously, that's a problem. You're actually create data, store, and boot create. Okay. You don't put them into the create chances table before returning. You should assign your tables into create chances like this. Aha. There we go. That's the problem, guys. That's the problem right then and there. Boom. Let's see. If you want each crate to include total weight for easier randomizing, you could do that. No, I really don't. Now, I would love... I'm just trying to think here, guys. I'm trying to think to make this the right way. What's up, Bobby? Keep an eye on your video. Looking good for the game. Heck yeah. How you doing, man? What's good? What's good? We're getting there, bro. One day at a time. One day at a time. I think that this is not that hard of a fix, guys. It's just that, once again, even right now, it's still a little bit messed up because just kind of keep in mind, don't forget, we are not, we don't have the crates exactly set up yet. They're here. They work and all. Oh, wait. I put that in the wrong... Did I put that in the wrong spot? What did I do there? Oh, it like... I don't know why I would have done it like that. Boot camp. It needs to be that word right there. I don't know why I tried to do that. Let's see if... We'll make sure it works like that. No, that's not going to work? Are you kidding me? Why is that not going to work now? You know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to tell it to fix the whole thing for me because that's going to screw everything up. Let's just ask it to rewrite the whole entire script because we're lazy. So, let's see here. Can you give me the full fixed script? Let's see what it does. Yo, Thunder just started. Thunder, what does Thunder do? I'm okay, bro. Suffering a little from a toothache. Oh, no. I just had my wisdom teeth out last year. It sucked. Worst thing I've done so far. I don't know. I actually had my tonsils out, too, so that wasn't really fun either. But, here we are. Okay, so what is this? Helper function to add total weight to a drop table. Oh, I mean, that looks pretty clean, so let's just give it a shot here, guys, and we'll see if it works properly. Example usage anywhere in server scripts. So we'll call it in local bootcamp people's rarity prices. Rarity prices, what does that mean? Hold up, guys, let me think about that. We're using rarity prices. Dominic just gifted 5 more members, guys. Holy Dom, bro. Thank you, man. That's crazy, guys. Dom's going wild tonight. Dom, thank you so much, bro. I really do appreciate that, man. If you were looking at me right now, I'd give you a big fist bump, but I don't have my cam on right now, so we're trying to lock in here for this stream. But, dude, thank you, bro. Guys, come on. Now we got to get to the Among Us goal tonight for my boy Dom. That's crazy, man. I appreciate that a ton, bro. Thank you. Please, Among Us. We'll try, man. We'll try for sure. Okay, I don't really understand what that's talking about right there, to be honest with you guys. I don't know if I like that, but, we'll see if we get it to work here. Let's just give it a shot. Let's give it a chance. Let's go add it to the script, right? And then, we'll go from there. If it doesn't work, we can always just backspace a couple times. We'll be right back where we started. Not a big deal at all. And plus, I still have the code. I could just, straight up delete this if I wanted to. But, we're obviously not going to do that right now. So this one right here, see, this is why I don't understand what it's talking about, the rarity prices. This is my rarity prices. That's what stuff sells for if you actually sell it. So I feel like the AI is just not understanding the task here at hand, but you never know. We'll see. Maybe that was just the wrong thing. I don't really know, guys. I don't really know, but we got that. So cool. Let's just see here now. I think everything is looking pretty good there. We don't have any squiggles or anything like that. So basically, we require it now. It's still called crate chances, and then we should just be able to do something like that, I hope, and let's just find out. Nope, still trying to call a nil value. All right, well, how did it say I need to use it in the code? Now, that's the next question here. So, yeah, what the heck? It's trying to call rarity prices, man. I don't know why it's trying to call rarity prices. That makes no sense. Rarity prices. Chat W. Yeah, big W in the chat for Dom, guys. Heck yeah, absolutely. But I'm still not really understanding the issue here. You guys, I mean, that's a little weird if you ask me, but I guess it's something to do with this. Potentially. I don't know, though. I guess we have to do this. Local boot camp, maybe? So we require it, and then we do local boot camp equals... Why is it saying rarity prices? That doesn't make any sense. Wouldn't it be crate chances? I feel like that's bugged, man. I don't know, but I feel like that is bugged. Let's just give this a shot real quick and just take a little stab at this next. All right, so oops, I'm in that mode. It's not gonna save, so let me go out of there and fix that real quick. Can we get a W for Dom? Yeah, TMNO. Yes, bro. Get some W's for him. Spam the chat. Please do what you gotta do. He deserves it right now. 100%, bro. 100%. Get him in the chat. Spam it. Break the chat. Go ahead. All right, so boot camp. Let's see if that breaks it. That did not break it for us, guys. Summon, come on, please work. Okay, that did not work now. Oh, it's gonna screw up everything with the summons thing now. Uh-oh. Chances table. See, this is what I fear the most, guys. This is what I fear the most here. I tell you, man. It is what I fear. So total chance is this stuff right here. As you guys can see, we have a couple of these things here, right? So the reason that that's happening once again is because the thing is trying to use some sort of, you know, whatever they call it, helper function. So I just got 2.7 trillion fruit in GAG. No way. 2.7? Are you serious? That's ridiculous. That is actually ridiculous. Will I play TTD? Are you asking about tonight? I don't know, man. I don't really have a reason to play TTD anymore, bro. It's just not fun, bro. It's not fun. And I don't know. Well, it might be fun to you. I'm just personally not having really fun with it anymore, buddy. It's just not my thing anymore, man. It's just not my thing. Okay, guys. Well, that didn't work out for us. So let's try this again one more time. Now, I actually think that getting rid of this is kind of the problem, right? So we'll get rid of that. And then the other issue is this right here. So we got to get that to work. That's the next big thing that we need to actually fix here. So in order to do that, once again, I have no idea. But, you know, let's give it a good old college try here. So I guess we'll go right here. Didn't mean to do that. Go try to do something like that, maybe. Ultra, I got gifted and I've bought this before, so now I got a free milestone. You got that 1 month milestone. Yes, sir. All right, now we don't know this global variable, right? So this is not a global variable, and that is because we do normally do this local thing right here. So that's where we get it from. The bootcamp chances equals that. And obviously that's not working. So, well, it's not that it's not working. It's just that we got to do it this way. It has to be like this for the other code to actually work back in the main script. Otherwise, you know, we're going to be having some big issues. I'm going to be sadly have to Among Us amount of money. Dom, well, maybe someone else will help out. Maybe someone will get us halfway there, brother. We got a couple other people helping out too, though. Armored, and we had a 3 bomb from the other guy as well. So big shout out to you 3 guys so far tonight. And Ultra with a little good old classic thing right there. Sunflower. Is the sunflower out right now? Is that worth my time? Should I come get it or no? But yeah, guys, I don't really know what to do for this one, to be honest with you. I don't know if I should do like, I don't think that's gonna work because I don't think that's, will that work? No way. That just doesn't seem like it should work. Maybe it will, guys. Maybe that will. And if it does, I'm not really expecting that to work, to be honest with you. That just doesn't seem right. So let's just give it a shot. All right. And, you know, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's not a big deal. We could always go back, and it's always pretty, you know, not the simplest thing in the world to fix it, but it's not going to be the end of the world. Once again, this is not very hard to just go back and change a couple things if I have to. And plus, I didn't even delete the main code. It's all still chilling there. I just have to go back and right now it's kind of commented out, so we just got to go do that. Are you kind of quitting TTD? No, man. No. I'm not quitting TTD, man. It's just like streaming it every single day. At this point, man, it will literally make me crazy, bro. Like, actually, straight up. Like, I've done it for the past 2 years now. And you're lucky at this point, I haven't lost my mind yet. So we have to switch up, do some other stuff, or I'm going to lose my mind. That's why we're switching over to Kick 2 and doing some other things as well. So hopefully you guys come on over to the Kick channel. Come check that out. We're going to be playing other fun games over there. I know some of y'all might not be interested if it's not your thing. But we'll be playing COD, Rust, Minecraft, maybe Terraria. I don't know, a bunch of random stuff. So come over to the Kick, check that out. It's going to be more fun stuff. I can tell you that for sure. But with that being said, let's go into the game and see if that has done anything for us. Probably not, because I think I forgot to do the thing here. So once again, all these chances type thingies going on here are not going to... Wait, are they going to work? Let me just take a look. Let's see. So create chances. Once again, what are we trying to do here? So the total chances are that. And we just got to figure out why that wouldn't be working. You know what I'm saying? Oh, also, we're missing one of the things. But, I mean, did I not call that in? Or did I delete the call for it? Local boot camp equals... Okay, well, that's not right? This right here cannot be right. That just doesn't seem... That doesn't seem like the right thing, guys. I don't know what that's all about, but let me just try something else here. Let me try to call this and just see if this works. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if it's going to work or not, guys, but it's always worth a shot, and we can always just keep on trying different things. Like, this is how you figure stuff out. You just keep trying weird stuff, and eventually something's going to work. You know what I'm saying? When is it going to work? I have no idea, man, but eventually it will. I just don't know when, of course. So let's X out of that. I'm just going to show the AI what I'm doing right now. Obviously, that didn't work right there. It's fine. And let's go like this. We're going to go back to AI. Is it fine to keep it like this? Let's just ask. It's always worth that. Yes, your version is mostly fine, will work, but it has one key limitation. You calculate total chances 1 to 3. Those values are not stored inside crate chances. So other scripts that require this module won't have access to those totals. This lets any other script do things like store totals inside each crate table. Okay. So, all right. Well, we could probably do that. Maybe that's the problem right now, guys. Maybe that's the problem because we're not storing it. So let's take that. That's good. That's fine. That looks very similar to what we're currently using, which is good. We want it to be similar because we got to have those total chances or whatever, right? But it looks like it changed the name from total, like just, I think it was what, total chances now to just total. Let me just take a look here. Yeah, so total chance 1. Oops. Yeah, so it was definitely total chance, I think, right? Total chance 1. So we just got to kind of paste that in, I guess, a couple times like this. And then these ones are all going to be different, except it's going to be 2. So let's just try that out. Boom. And boom. Let's try that out. And boom. And boom. There we go. Now, I don't know how I'm going to call it into here to actually get it to work, but let's try our best with it. Let's see what we can do. So I'm just going to tell the AI that we need it to work in here now. I'm late, but it's been a while too. What's up, Gamer81? How you doing, bro? What's good? What's good? Welcome back, man. Welcome back. It's good to see you. How can I get my main server script to, like, get that module to work in it? I don't know. Feel a brain rot? You're almost there. Your module is set up correctly and you're requiring it properly. Okay, so we got that set up. However, at the end of your script, you have this line. Create chances. This is incorrect because create chances is a table, not a function. That line will throw an error. Like attempt to call this. Okay, so assuming your create chances module looks like this. So let me show... Well, actually, no, it doesn't. Might know, actually. I don't know. Let's see. Then your main script, instead of this... Okay. You should do... Aha! Okay. There we go, guys. We might have it. We might have it. Let's go take a look at that. So it said to... We need to delete that one line, which was this. That's useless right there. We don't need that. Nothing good again, Armored. Oh, come on, guys. We got to get some good luck in the chat and maybe get some good stuff and grow a garden in a little bit. Doesn't seem like tonight they're giving out anything good. Has anyone got any, like, prismatics tonight or anything like that? I have not, if you're wondering, unfortunately. But I will always keep trying, but no guarantees. It's not easy, right? All right, though. So this should be the North Africa crate. And then North Africa, maybe this and that. And let's go jump into the game. See? No crashes yet. Okay. So let's just keep an eye on that, guys. We have like 2 rows. Let's just see if we're summoning. Okay, we're not summoning now. But the game's not broken. So let's keep that in mind here. The game is not broken, but we are not summoning. So let's just quickly show it this real quick. I just kind of, we're going to figure this out one thing at a time. Hopefully North Africa won't get the game taken down. Why would North Africa get the game taken down? What kind of comment is that? All right, let's see here. Summary requires fun. Don't try to call much like a function. Access drop tables like create chances that boot camp and their total with. Okay, so this is my module script. Keep showing it. Get there. What's up, Tofu? Could I be a tester, Tob? Maybe, man. We'll see. We'll see. I'll let you know. Okay, so I have that. I mean, that's all good and all for right now. So, but now we just got to figure out why. Oh, wait a second. Did I not change that? Yo, wait. What happened? Didn't I? Oh, hold on. That might be breaking my game. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, I understand. Sorry, I forgot that I have a normal summons, if y'all remember, and then I also have the other summons. Don't forget that. But we forgot to add those both in. That's just on me. Oops. Pretty simple fix. Bang, there we go. All right, now let's try again. Maybe the game won't break. Nope. Still not showing anything. Are you going to change my role in the group? Or possibly, Armor? Yeah, possibly. But right now, I don't really need anyone to test. But, when I need some people to help test out, you'll be one of them for sure. All right, so we got that. It's not broken right now. Obviously, it's not working, but it is not broken yet, which is good, I guess. But sometimes when you're not getting any errors, it could actually be a bad thing. You know what I mean? Because now I don't know what's wrong. So, let's see. No errors, but the summon system is broke and not working anymore like it once was. Here is my code. Let's see if we can figure it out, guys. Do a fish tank. Hopefully that will stop it from lighting on fire. Not the RTX 5090, bro. Okay. In your module script, create chances, you store the total weight inside the same table as the unit drop chances. Then in your service script, you do this. Okay. The loop includes total weight as a unit type, which is not a unit, so chance becomes 326. It messes up your roll logic. Update your loop so it skips total weight. Do this in both summon and summon 10. I don't know what the total weight necessarily means, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you here. So I think that must be in here, right? Wait, what is the total weight? What are we talking about here? Where are we even getting that from? Total weight, like dot total weight equals total chance. Could that be right? I don't know. That just doesn't seem right, guys. Yo, what's up, PC? Yeah, man, we've been doing some other stuff. We've been doing some other stuff on Kick. We've been doing like COD streams and stuff like that. Trying to have some more fun with the streaming, man, because otherwise LT's gonna crash out and lose his mind. Because I can't really do this Roblox stuff for much longer in my life, I don't think, man. I'm running out of gas with it. We're running out of gas. It's just not really fun anymore. I'm having a lot of fun making this game, though. I'm having a blast at this. Like I said, we have this game that I want to make, and then I also want to make that card game still that I've been telling you guys about for a while. And if both of these flop and I can't make a living off of either of them, or the YouTube channel doesn't pick back up, then we move on. But for right now, we're chilling, and I still want to try to build up the Kick on the side, because that way we can go play other games like COD and Rust and all that other fun stuff. Wait for that Rust stream, Bryce. It will be soon. If one of these days I wake up early in the morning, then I will be doing Rust, all right? We did COD earlier today. It was a lot of fun. It was actually really good. It was a lot of fun. We actually had like up to, I think the highest record we had so far, guys, was 20 people on Kick. So if any of you guys have Kick and were on the Kick during that, thank you for being there, boys. I appreciate that. That's already like halfway to the first goal. 50 viewers is the first goal on Kick, guys. So we get 50, and then we go to 75, and then boom, we made it. And then we're chilling. Do it before July. All right, man. We got plenty of time. We'll absolutely do it. Just this weekend, I'm doing the World Series of Warzone on Kick, guys. It's gonna be a big tournament. We're probably gonna get smoked, hopefully not, but it's gonna be fun. Come check it out. It's gonna be a good time. But anyways, back to this because it's still not working, unfortunately. So think. Why are we not working here, guys? Why are we not working? Come on now. So what did I have to do here? So do this and build summon, and it's a 4 unit type. Okay, not a big deal. We'll just stop this real quick. Go to core, and then what did I say? 4 unit type. So find 4 unit type. Oh, come on, man. Don't do me like that. That's gonna be super annoying. It's gonna get all in my way here. Oh no. Bang. And then there should be one for 10 for unit type right here. All right, let's try that out. I don't understand why that would have been a problem, but let's see. Imagine. Oh my god. Hold on a second. Summon 10. Does it take away my coins? It's taking away my coins, guys. It's taking away my coins. I've heard of that. That's like an in-game open tournament. Yep, in-game open tournament. Bang, boys. There we go. See? Little bit of dedication. You just can't crash out when you're doing this, and you'll get somewhere eventually. That's the key. I mean, what, we've been doing this for 50 minutes. It took me 50 minutes to get that done, but we got it done. And guess what now? Guess what? We should even have this one working out too, technically. Let's see. Bang, we got that one working too, guys. Let's go. We're so good. We're set. Does this work though? I feel like that's not giving me my prints. I don't know why I'm not getting my prints for that one. Let me just stop this real quick. I'm about to be out of coins here in about a second or two, but let's see. Wait till you guys want to see what it's gonna look like though, the lobby. You guys want to see a little sneak peek of the lobby real quick, because it's not that I hate this lobby. I feel bad because I know Jeff spent a lot of time on this. It's just that it's not the vision I want for this game. I want it to be a more realistic looking, at least in the aspect of the, like, you'll see the vibe I'm gonna go for in a minute here. Let me show you guys, but let me just double check this bootcamp crate one more time. Yeah, I don't know why I'm not getting a print for that. I don't know if that, it doesn't really matter, but I'm not getting a print for that, as you guys could see there. It's kind of weird. I don't even know where it's printing to even begin with here, to be honest with you guys. I have no idea. I don't see it. Let me just look up print real quick. I have no prints. Okay. Where is that coming from? that's the best. That's the $1 million question right there, guys. Where am I getting those images from? Looks good. Just needs to be upgraded. No, you'll see. You'll see, guys, in a minute. Who cares about the console? What about the console? I've been talking about it because I was grinding my game listening to you. What's up, man? You love my lives, Tofu? Heck yeah, man. Appreciate you being here, bro. Yeah, I don't know why I don't have any print statements in my thing. I for sure thought I would have. It actually quite surprises me that I don't. In here, I must, right? I don't know. Let's see if it's from in here. Could be. Actually, it probably is from in here, right? No? Yeah, right here. I just don't know why it's not. This has to be it, guys. Summon 10 results. Yeah, this is it. Oh, so it's only on the summon. Wait, hold on. Let me just see real quick, guys. That's only on the summon 10 for some reason. And I don't even need that, to be honest with you. Oh, sorry. You guys on Kick, whenever I leave the screen, it goes away. Sorry about that. It should be fixed now. But, let's see here. So I have all the units. That's all working. Let me just do a quick little test here. Make sure that I didn't break anything in here, and make sure we get all the correct units that we're supposed to be getting to, because anytime I change any little bit of code, you never know what could potentially be broken. So let's just, like, triple, quadruple check this real quick. So we're selling 33 for 2,000 coins. Yes. Isn't it crazy that I cannot get the godly, guys? Yo, getting the godly, my luck is horrible. But remember though, the godly will be in a little bit in the other crates. They're gonna be a little bit better luck. So don't worry, the godly's not even gonna be in here technically. Actually, it might not even be right now as we speak. But anyways, so this bootcamp crate, summon 10, there it is. Yeah, so the print's only working for the summon 10s. That's why, guys. That's why. The 1% luck is it? That's what I have it set to, right? Yep. Technically, right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's that. We'll get those percentages, like I said, up on the screen. And maybe if I could do that tonight, that would be great, guys. That'd be so great. You like the fade out? Yeah, the fade out's good. All right, I do want to show y'all the lobby real quick though, but I'm glad we got that set up because now guess what? So that is something huge for us because look at this, guys. See, this is why setting up those like module scripts is super important. Remember, we were talking about this. So watch this, guys. Is your game going to be beta? Yeah, Tofu, probably a beta at some point. So that way we don't just completely release the game and have it broken to all like new players that come and join. Probably something similar to what we did in bike battles, and we'll, like anyone who gets the beta access will get like a special unit, okay? That way we don't release the game in a completely broken state and just be sad about it. But anyways, we just deleted all that green stuff because we don't need it there anymore, guys. We literally don't need it there anymore. Let me just double check that I didn't delete anything important. Nope, didn't. Gone. See, look at that. How many lines did we just go through and delete? A lot. Like, a lot. That's just amazing. I love doing that. So, now that's all good. If we could find a way to get rid of this right here. I don't know if I could or not. But, man, if I could get rid of that and have that as one line. Number one glitch hunter, yeah, you guys are coming in there finding glitches that we could hopefully figure out how to patch them and stuff like that. That'd be perfect. But as you guys can see here, you know, all these different things that you're seeing inside this main script, right? This is stuff that we could probably hide away in some module scripts and just basically get rid of them and forget about them. Like player added here, we could probably just make a player added module script, right? And then just boom, it's gone. Can I help make a sniper tower hockey? I mean, man, I kind of already have some already ready to go, but if you want to try to make some new and unique ones, sure, go for it, man. I'm not going to stop you. I can't guarantee you I'm going to use it. I'm not going to guarantee, you know, anyone I'm going to use anything. If you're trying to help out, make something for the game, you know, once again, keep in mind, I may or may not use it because it may just not fit the vibe of my game and what I want it to be. So just don't be upset, you know, if that comes to it. But you know, I'm going to try to use it. I'll surely tell you that. But yeah, look at that, guys. I mean, is it completely contained? You know, no, not really, but it's mostly contained. I'll tell you that. Except for this right here. That should not be right there. Let's kind of clean that up a little bit. The main concern is not this code. I feel like this code went very well. It's the code that I actually did with gnome code. That code's a whole screwed up mess. Wait till you see that one, guys. It's a disaster. I clicked the wrong button, by the way, so I have to go back and grab this, but that is gone, and then we'll paste it right here. Bang and bang. There we go. So we got those services up there. We got the required thingy right there, and all the other stuff is pretty much good. We're chilling with it. So I don't know what the data store service is, honestly. I feel like these are all services, but I don't really know. I like how your game is good. Yeah, it's going good. Can you help me script a game, Captain Smiles? I ain't gonna do it for free there, brother. I can't do it for free, man. I gotta worry about my own stuff right now. If you want to pay me, man, I could try to help you out, but you know, I won't charge much because I don't really know what I'm doing. I mean, I got this far, but once again, man, I can't really do that. I mean, I don't even have my own game built yet, bro. I gotta worry about my own game first. If I get better at this stuff, then maybe I could set up a little like server or something to get like that going or something. I don't know. Maybe that could be an option one day for me. I don't know. What's up, Mateo? Gotta revive bike battles. Yeah, I'm not too worried about bike battles right now because the I mean, I know it has a chance, but I don't know. I feel like a lot about this. It might go in a better direction. Do you know C++ or C#? No. Kid Bond. Yo, did you find me randomly on Kid Bond? That's crazy if you did, bro. We're just trying to learn Lua here, bro. I mean, I'm also using AI to help me out, but you know, we've actually come a long way, dude. We've come a very long way. But that's sick if you actually found me from Kick. That's crazy. You'll be the first legit guy on Kick to find the channel over here. It's third stream today or whatever. I don't know. I think it's the third stream we've done over here, so that's crazy. But yeah, no. We don't really know anything. I mean, I know like the basics, but other than that, you know, if you told me to actually go ahead and do something, I probably couldn't do it on my own, but I could at least understand it and read what's going on. Issues, it just hits. It's so hard to advertise the game. It's not that it's hard to advertise the game, because what I would do is I'm going to reach out to YouTubers and get them to advertise the game. There's no point in using the Roblox system. Very dumb. I think it's truly probably a waste of my time to even go about that. It's just not. It's not it. It's just not it. Pepper's in GAG right now. Yo, let me go scoop that up real quick, boys. Hold on. Let me go scoop it up. You guys are telling you better not be trolling me right now. Armor is gonna be my go-to person if I trust them or not. So Armor, don't let me down. What type of game is it, Kid Bond? It's a tower defense game. I'll show you in a minute. Let me just go grab this pepper real quick before it's gone, because we got to get stocked up in this game so I can maybe end up making some better videos on this game down the road, because this game's crazy popular. But here, I'll show you in 1 second. I have a friend on a call with you. Oh, do you? Nice. All right, so let's get back to the game. So it's a tower defense game, man. Basically, here, let me show you. I'll show you guys basically what like the updated version is right now. So let me publish it and save it because that's all working right now, which is great. And we'll go from there. Yeah, Bob, thank you, bro. I just got it, man. I just got it. So save to Roblox, and then I'll go join the game real quick, guys. Once again, we're gonna get some cool logos and cool like, you know, thumbnails or whatever. But right now, it's just not, you know, fully set up. So right now, these were the basic pads that I first built the game with. Moved on to this. So I don't know how well you guys could hear this. Here, let me pause the music real quick and I'll shut up. Let me know if you guys could hear this or not, but check this out. This is actually really cool. I'm proud of this. Watch this. Oh no. Is that gonna be loud enough? Oh, you guys didn't get to hear it. Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. We'll have to figure that out. But here we are. Let's see. And now I better go before the global changes so I can get the W back when I get it. I might use AI. Not sure what you mean, tank. But kind of forgot to equip my units, but we'll still win either way because there's only one enemy that spawns right now because I said it that way. But yeah. What's up, Cope? YouTube ads with the questionable ads. YouTube ads are always questionable ads, man. Isn't it kind of crazy how YouTube allows like the scam websites to advertise on like YouTube channels like this? Like I've clicked on my videos many times and I've seen ads that are like, you know, come to this like website to buy like fake Robux or something like that. It's like, and even like the scammy like cross trading sites. I don't know why that YouTube allows stuff like that. They even do it for like when I used to play Tarkov a lot. They would do a lot of what's it called, like cheating websites, and they'd like advertise that. It's crazy. I don't know how they get away with that, but let's see. When do you think it's gonna drop officially? I'm not gonna give any dates, Tofu, because I don't want to lie and then like be like everyone's gonna come to that date and realize like, oh, it's not ready yet. I'm just gonna, you know, when it's ready, and it almost is, outside of a couple, you know, bugs looks like here and there, then we'll drop it. Let's see if it works correctly if I just go like that. Okay, that works a lot better. I don't know what's up with the countdown version. If you get it to, I mean, most people are just gonna actually click the button and then teleport, so that's obviously the good thing. The bad thing is, I don't know why it kicked me out last time. The team I work for is working on it. Let me know, Kid Bonzo, for sure. Let me know. Let me know. But yeah, here we are in the game right now. Like I said, guys, there's only one enemy that spawns. It's just mainly because, you know, it's the way I said it, so it's not that big of a deal. But Pepper's on stock. Yeah, I already got it, gamer. I thank you for letting me know, bro. I already got it, though, which is good. Very good. Very good. All right. So that's all good. We got the win. Up to 42, 3,100 coins. Perfect. It's like pretty legit for Robux, but you're like wasting a week to get 100 per week. I mean, hey, at least you get some if you're, you know, not like legit just not able to get any at all, right? So it's better than nothing. But all right, before we do anything else, guys, let's maybe take a little look at this other code real quick and kind of why before it teleports me to the lobby, it like kicks me out. You know what I'm saying? So let's see, where would that be? That's going to be inside the truck and in this script right here, probably. So let's go figure this out and see what the issue is. And maybe if I could get that to work properly. Hopefully we can. So I have an issue with the TP system. If the countdown hits 0, my guy TP's out of truck. Then I actually TP to the other place ID. So we'll do that. See if you figure this out. I'm gonna play your game every day. I hope so, man. I'm gonna try to keep making a lot of good stuff up. Look up 01XMY and find the game name Grow Forest. It's nothing about Forest. It's just a random name. All right, yeah, I'll definitely check it out, kid, for sure. For sure. That's sick, though. Is it like the Grow Garden Gamer? Or I guess not, maybe? I don't know. At 150, the Beanstalk should be in stock. Well, it's currently 2:01 a.m., so I must have missed it. All right, guys, so let's see here. What's the problem? You experience an issue where after the countdown ends, the player is first teleported out of the truck and they teleport to the correct place. This is likely due to the part of your code teleport players. During this 3-second wait period, your reset player state is running afterwards, meaning the player is still in the truck while the countdown ends. But it's faded out and moved before teleporting, causing a flash or weird pop. Fix, do not call reset player state. Where do I even call reset? You should only run reset player state for canceling the teleport, not before teleporting them successfully. So update this block. Okay, so it's saying this right here is bad. All right, so let's go in there and find that real quick, guys. So it's like under the, well, I'll just look up reset player state, I guess, and then we'll just, you know, I suppose go in there and remove it real quick. Give me a tip if you're trying to use AI to code. Yeah, give me a tip, Kid Bonds. Give me the tip, bro. I'd love to hear it, man. I'm trying to learn day by day here, man. Day by day. Any tips are very helpful. All right, so that code that we're looking for right now is going to be that reset player state. I don't know how many of those I have. It looks like I may or may not have quite a few of those. So, actually, no, maybe not. Hold on here a second. Is it this one? Or is it this one? I have two of them. It's a 50-50 shot. Do I take the guess? No, we go take a look. So it's under safe teleport and then the for loop there. So let's go find that real quick. So safe teleport. Looks like it's going to be this one right here, guys. So let's try that out and see if that fixes our issue. I don't know if it will or not, but it's going to be 48 minutes till it stocks because time zones. So wait, how do you guys know it's going to be a guaranteed stock? I hook you up on GG when trading comes out on the 21st for a video. Yeah, are they Dom? Unfortunately not yet, man. We're already halfway there though. Thank you to you and Armored and the other bro. So hopefully we get there, bro. Hopefully we get there. If we get there, like I said, I'll stay up. We'll play some Among Us tonight, guys. So that's gonna be lots of fun. Listen, hang around. We might hit the goal tonight. We're already halfway there. It's gonna be lots of fun. I know it says we're only at 4, but we're technically at 54 because Dom, I can't change that. It's only looking at the chat revenue. It's not counting memberships, unfortunately. So sorry, I can't actually physically update that, but you have 100 trillion in your inventory? What in the world, man? That's crazy. That's ridiculous, man. All right, I don't know if I published this yet, so let's publish that. We're going to hop back in here and just test this out one more time real quick. I wish I knew how to do scripting, Captain. And, dude, I don't know how to script at all, bro. I mean, like, I probably know a little bit more than most people, but, like, I don't really know what I'm doing, man. Like, dude, I'm just going with the flow, man. One step at a time. What's up, Bonnie? What's up, Sean? I got the P90 ready. What do you mean you got the P90 ready? Look up Dan GPT prompt, copy the text and go to and put it in there and you get really good coding AI. Oh, okay. Oh shoot, yo, you made me look away at the wrong time there, bro. I gotta go in here and then try to get this dub real quick and then get out of here. Let's try this again. You inspired you to make a game. I'm gonna make one tomorrow. Tofu, you should, man. Like I said, guys, listen. I can't guarantee that this game's gonna do good. I can't guarantee that your game's gonna do good, but like if you can actually get good at this, it's probably a pretty good life skill to have, The world's moving in this direction. I mean, everything's going to be all about coding one day. Making a nectar. Nice, man. Do I still play TTD? I mean, yeah, a little bit here and there, man. My last TTD video was crazy, guys. Thank you to any one of you guys who sent me a unit in that video. That video was low-key wild. Like, we got some good stuff there. Let's see. Let me see one thing real quick. 1 second, please. All right, never mind. We're good. All right, so let's check this out. See if this works. Come on, come on. Let's test out the one that... Actually, let's test out this one. So it should go there. Fade, teleporting, boom, teleport. Perfect. Do I play Clash of Clans? Yeah, I do play Clash of Clans. We had it... Guys, we had a Clash of Clans clan. Y'all remember that? That was actually insane. I wonder if I'm going to get like a win if I leave mid-game, because we don't obviously have a rejoin feature yet, which, will be something we probably add at some point. It's obviously not in the game yet, but I'll have to figure that out too. I remember that too. Yeah, Clash of Clans is sick. I'm still in it. You're still in it? Yo, I haven't been playing in a while. Sorry about that, guys. If you guys are actually still playing Clash of Clans, my bad. I haven't played in a long time. If you guys want to join the team, or the clan, I guess you call it there. Let me see. Oh, did that work, by the way? I'm looking at Clash of Clans right now. Oh, no, it mostly worked. I don't know why it did that, though. Why the heck is it doing that? That's so weird. I don't know why it's doing that, guys. I wonder. You think it's because of this? Because I feel like when I do the other one, like, let's turn this down to 1 second and just try it out that way. I'm just curious. Just try it. Chicken and PC here, both here. Maybe add a testing data store and a data store for the main game. See, the data stores is something that I don't really understand yet. I honestly, that's the one thing that I'm like most nervous about of this game is the data stores, because obviously that's something you can't really screw up. What plugins are you using for the UIs, Kid Bonzo? I made them all myself. All right, so let's X out of here. We should have had the publish go through. Yo, I got a ton of seasonal rewards. I just collected them. Oh my god, I'm loaded. Parker got terminated? Yeah, he did. Dead. Alright, let's see. Come on, work, please. Just work, just work. That happens too quick. Happens too quick. Okay, let me just see. Is it that same thing that happens if I were to click the button? Like, why is the teleport here so perfect? Like, I know most players are probably gonna click start anyways, so it's probably not the end of the world, but like, you know, I want it to look good every single time. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, why is that one perfect? And that one does work perfectly, right? Like, you know, I don't know why this other one is just a little bit goofy. A little bit goofed here, boys. It's a little bit goofed. I don't know why. I want to figure it out. Like, I know it's not the end of the world, but because like this is kind of just this laid back, chill type stream, we might be able to figure it out. I just don't know how. What's up, Luke? Don't want a 64 kg mango that's frozen? If you don't want it, man, I mean, I'll gladly take it. I can maybe give it away to some noob at some point. I'm sure they'll like that. All right, though. Let's figure this out, guys. So just copy this, paste it in there, kind of say like what's going on. So that way we can maybe get this going and working, you know? All right, so if the player clicks start, then the TP system works perfect. But if you wait the 10 seconds, the fade plays and screen goes black, but the TP takes too long and the camera resets to the player and then it TPs. Let's see. Love how the game's going. For me too, man. Me too. It's literally clear description. The issue sounds like the delay between the fade out and the teleport is too long enough that the camera snaps back to the player before the teleport service finishes moving them to the new server. Let's see. Pauses. During that pause, the client camera is idle, and if it's not locked, Roblox auto snaps it back to the player after a short moment. Okay, so let's see. Instead of waiting 3 seconds to the fade out, just teleport right away. I feel like we just tried that, and I feel like that didn't work, remember? You really want the 3-second dramatic fade, then you can lock the camera to a black part or freeze it during the delay. I mean, we could try to freeze it, you know, right? Maybe. Is that gonna work? I don't know. Has no tech. Oh, kid. Yo, that's actually crazy. That's probably a lot smarter. Make it where you have transfer delay. Alright, I'll definitely consider that too. This guarantees the camera won't snap back to their body. See, that's what's really annoying. I don't know why it snaps back. YouTube with the strange 15-second ads. Yeah, I bet. Have you tried the DVD? I have not played DVD in a little bit, no. Actually. Is that update good if anyone played it? I don't want to look to do it myself. Just give me the full code, bro. Come on. Wasting my time out here. You know? Put this updated block here. What does this do? We got the freeze camera. I think that's all that we added there. Master sprinkler in stock. Is that worth getting or what? You two are not gonna have a kid, I swear. You can't ads about that. That's funny. All right, let's see. Real quick. Worth getting? All right, I'll get it. Springtrap is a killer in the game. Oh, you know, I saw it. He kind of has like the tomahawk, basically really similar to the Huntress. I really gotta hop on DVD sometime again. I haven't played it so long, but it's so much better. Trust. What's so much better? The sprinkler? I mean, I bet. I'll go scoop it up. Oh, look at that. I spawned right on it. Perfect, guys. Look at that. How much money is it? What's it actually do, though? I actually don't even know what it does. Let's see here. Greatly increases growth speed, mutation chances, and fruit size. Okay. Sure. Scoop it up real quick. Why not? Cool stuff. All right, let's get out of there. And we got to go back to this. All right, boys. Let's figure this out. Come on now. Can I do it? So for the task, 0.05. I don't know if that's exactly what I want to do. Freeze the camera when the fade begins. Prevents camera snap back to character. Preserves your 3-second dramatic delay. Make sure that the player waits or clicks start. Can you rewrite the whole script? Let me switch it, trust me. Switch what? To the other AI. Yeah, I'll look into that for sure. I'm not gonna do it right now just because I already have all this, like, it's already saved in here, like a lot of the game itself. So like this AI already knows a lot about the game, which is a good thing. You place it down with the other sprinkler, it'll make your stuff really big. Oh, okay, I got you. Like as in the fruit, or like it'll actually grow the plants bigger? Is that what you mean? Yeah, okay, but no, I will definitely, I'm gonna take a screenshot of your screen right now so I remember that, and I'll probably check that out. Because, you know, obviously that's gonna be better for me, right? So I might as well. What is this all about here? I'm a dip dom, you're heading out. Among Us odds are turning into slim to none. Yeah, it is getting a little late tonight, but we don't know yet, Dom. We don't know yet. Hopefully we'll still hit there. If this game gets popular, what are you gonna do, man, Tofu? I'm gonna be very happy and keep on grinding, man, you know? I just don't know why this isn't working, man. It's so frustrating because like, you just feel like it should be, you know? It's like, why are you not working? Like, why are you not working right now? Like, what would be the issue here, you know? Start teleport event, and that's exactly what happens when we do it the other way. So it's like, why is this way, you know, not working? Teleport fade. Am I not even playing the hide there or what? Like this teleport players, do I call that down here in this or something? Start teleport. I call a safe teleport, but I don't even call the start teleport, which is actually surprising to me. I figured I would have been, but it doesn't seem like that is actually the case here, guys. Give you 2 mangoes. Oh, sure, man. I appreciate that. Let's see. Let us see, guys. I'm just trying to get a little bit of an understanding here and see why this isn't working, but I don't know if your boy's gonna ever figure that one out, to be honest with you. We got the start countdown here. Obviously, that's all working pretty much just fine. It's all good, actually. This is like the, I think this is the part of the code that's a little bit messed up. Potentially. Potentially. And one thing is, I don't understand why, that's fired down here. It's gotta be it. Dom just gifted 5 more members. No way, Dom. Yo, Dom, bro. My boy Dom really wants to play some Among Us tonight. Dom, thank you, bro. I appreciate you, man. Absolute legend, dude. Oh my god. Yo, another. Guys, Dom just gifted 20. Dom. Oh my god. Alright, man. We'll go play some Among Us. My boy Dom really wants to get the crew together tonight, and he wants to play some Among Us. So, boys, for Dom, we shall play Among Us, alright? Thank you so much, Dom, man. I appreciate you. You absolute legend. 20 gifted. I mean, that's coming close to, like, all-time top gifted in a stream membership-wise. That's crazy, bro. 20 gifted in one stream. Dang, guys, that's amazing right there. I still really want to figure this out. Just give me like 5 more minutes on this, and then we're gonna go play some Among Us, guys. Holy smokes, Dom, thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Armored, Dom, and the dude like from the start of the stream, you guys are all locked in if you want to play Among Us. Other than that, I will be taking new or current members that preferably have mics. Nah, Sky, you should come play. You didn't get to play last time. Come play this time. It'll be fun. Do I play Grow Garden? I literally have Grow Garden up in the background right now. No joke. It's up there. It's waiting to go. All right, so we already know that me clicking start literally works. It's just the fact of when this timer hits 0, it's just not working, man. It's just not working. Let's get the crew together. Oh, we will, man. We will. Don't worry. Like, that works amazing, guys. Like, that is perfect. Thank you so much, Dom. I appreciate that a lot, man. What a legend. All right, give me like 5 minutes here. Everyone get their Among Us queued up. Start up, you know, your Steam, and we're gonna go over there shortly, okay? Am I crazy, or did I have member? Pretzel, you had member at one point, bro, but it looks like you're on a different YouTube account. That's a fire loading zone? Fire loading zone. What do you mean? What do you mean, Bryce? I'll just be watching today? No gaming for you tonight, Bryce. Too late? I feel that. All right, though. Real quick, guys. Yo, look at how clean our core script is. I love it. We made some good progress tonight in this stream, though. Low-key, it may not seem like it to you guys, but, like, we've actually got some good stuff going here, actually. Like, it's not like we wasted our time tonight, guys. First of all, we had an amazing stream. Thank you, guys. Huge shout-out to Dom. I mean, Dom, absolute hero of the stream tonight. Dom, big fist bump to Dom. Everyone get some W's in the chat to Dom. First of all, absolute legend. Literally gifted 20 tonight. Got us the whole goal. Absolute amazing stream. Thank you to Dom. So appreciate you, man, for that. But also, big thank you to Armor. And why is the other guy's name leaving my mind right now? Yo, who was the guy that gifted $3 in the beginning of the stream? Thank you, whoever did that. I can't think of your name right now. I don't have my pencil and pad like I used to, writing all the names down right now because I was mainly kind of locked in on doing this. But whoever gifted at the start, let me know who that was. I forget. My bad. I don't know why I forget. Usually I'm really good at remembering stuff like that. But right now, it has left my brain. All right, though, Dom, before I come over, man, just give me 1 second, dude. I'm just going to see if I could get this going real quick here. This works perfect when I click start button. Can we replicate something like this when the timer, actually the countdown, hits 0? Let's see. The chat goes wild. He deserves a W there for sure. Seriously, Dom, I can't thank you enough, man. I appreciate it. Hopefully you have some good games of Among Us tonight. Hopefully so. All right, though. Yes, you can replicate the same clean teleport flow when the countdown hits 0 by replacing the teleport player's function with a version identical in structure to the start teleport event handler. Here's the updated teleport player's function that mirrors your working start logic or whatever. All right, let's try it. Sounds good to me. Make the fade effect feel more immersive like a blackout. You can increase the wait time to 2 to 3 seconds. Short delay to allow the fade to begin. Okay, I mean, I'm not too worried. Okay, let's just try this out, guys, real quick. If this doesn't work, then you know what? Screw it. We're going to play Among Us anyways. But let's see here. Boom, there we go. Let's try this out. I feel like that didn't even change anything at all, but okay. Let's put that to publish to Roblox. Did that even change anything, guys? I swear that did not change a single thing. But I could be wrong. Must have. It surely must have, guys. Alright, let's try this, boys. You have like 4 plasmas, bro? Hey, Riot, listen, man. If you want to be in that next, like, you know, mailbox video, put it in there, man, because it's going to be better. And my join keyword might, like, 25%. I think you should. It's going to be fun tonight. I can already tell it's going to be a good night. Date of the release, yo, Ferdy. What's up, buddy? The date of the release. Great question, man. I don't know 100% yet, but I will let you know. And real quick, guys, let's try this out. Please pray for me, guys. Let's just double check this. Make sure this still works. Perfect. Come on, please. Please, I want to go play Among Us. You're not going to play Among Us? I'm going to watch GAG stock. Sounds good. Sounds good, Armored. All right, come on. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Oh, absolutely right. I always do the post office videos on video, so that way I shout out everyone who sent me something. But don't send me anything right now because the mailbox is full, buddy. Yes, boys, we did it. It's good. It's good. We're good. We're good to go. We can successfully go play Among Us and not be sad about it. Come on, let's go. All right, we got it. All right, seriously, last thing I do before I get off here, though, for the night. Sky, you're playing. Come on. Dom, Sky just dropped 20 gifted, Sky, and he wants you to come play. That means you have to come play. That's like a requirement now. If he just dropped 20 gifted, you have to. Can I play? I'll leave it. Dom, if you want to handpick a crew tonight, since, like, Armor doesn't want to play, and I don't know who gifted the first one. So, Dom, if you want to handpick a crew, let me know. I'll give you that full. You literally gifted the whole entire goal. So, you can handpick the crew, but I have to be in it. That's the only rule. All right, let me see here. Let me show you guys one last thing, boys. One last thing. I feel like it's somewhat important here because of what's it called? It's not incredibly important, but it's a little bit important because I just want to show you guys the vibe of the lobby that we're going for, okay? So check this out. Yo, Chicken and Pretzel are both over here right now. Hopefully it lets me join, boys. Let me see. All right, so this is going to be a little bit of a sneak peek on what I want the lobby to be looking like, okay? Looks like they might have been working a little bit on it over here actually at the moment too. Listen, if you want to make it easier on yourself, Pretzel, just as another little heads up, something that might make your life slightly even easier, or if Chicken, if you're even helping out on this too, you might be, you might not be, I have no idea. But guys, it might be very, very, very easy to kind of set up like a... So hear me out here, right? This is what we could do. So you could kind of have this ground as the base level maybe or something like that. And then above that, maybe you could kind of have like blocks, like street blocks, you know what I'm saying? And like, it would be kind of like a sidewalk system or something. Because then you could have like roads that actually lead around the map and stuff. And it'll kind of like look really good. And like, yes, that looks good. That looks amazing. I love that. Subscribe. Yes, absolutely. But this is going to be the type of like textures that I think it'll make the lobby look like super, super good. Like actually straight up amazing. I'm not 100% set on the floor yet, but like these buildings, this is like the destroyed Eastern European type town that I was kind of going for. Now, I also still really wanted that D-Day to work and it would like work well, but I just, once again, that I'm not 100% sure on that D-Day yet, you know? If I had like a, hold on, let me just try to get a model real quick and get a spawn going here for you guys. I just want to kind of show you. I don't know if it's going to spawn me on this one or not. Hopefully it does. Oh no, guys, it's going to break my computer. Yo, you got to make sure. Oh my God, it's going to break my computer. Yo, Pretzel, make sure you start anchoring everything and stuff because if you guys click play, it will fry your computer because all these parts that we have for the game, like these are a lot of the troops that we've been using, guys. We even have other stuff over here. Like, look at this guy, yo. I don't know. Yeah, a little torch guy. We got some airplanes getting ready, some more boats. You got some other planes, some really weird looking tanks. These are all like real things. This is good right here for like the, you know, eventual snowy maps, other stuff. Cool, guys. Artillery. Lots of stuff, guys. Lots of stuff here. The medics. Yes, I love the medics. I don't know what he is, but he's there. The good old planes. Look at the M4. Where's the M4 at? We got some like factory workers. Kind of be like, you know, back then the US kind of started like the factory boom for making bullets and like equipment and stuff. So, you know, it's kind of huge and whatnot. Future Sherman's pretty cool. Yo, place it. Oh, yeah, it's looking better. Yo, you're getting that actually looking really good. Chicken, if you could, dude, there's a couple things that normal Shermans have, and that, yo, that looks really good. I don't know if you'd be able to do it or not, but I think that's some of the Shermans here. Maybe he has them on these ones over here. Where are they? He doesn't have them right now. He did. Oh, it's like this, like these little stars. Like, let me see if they have just like straight up like a. Let me just toolbox this real quick. Let me see like Sherman. Let me just see what it looks like real quick, and then we're gonna go over, boys, to Among Us. Okay. Let me just see here. Do they have any like? See, they don't even really have any good ones. They have a good destroyed Sherman tank, but maybe this one's good. No, see, that's like too metallic-y. Like I don't. It doesn't look real. It does a little bit, I guess. I don't know. Like these ones, maybe. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Like that. See, this is why I'm saying like these tanks right here are just straight up just perfect. Like right off the rip, like that's just. I mean, you can't even beat that. Like look at that. That thing is just. Some of the like common tanks, there's just. Like, you know, I don't even know what to tell you. I mean, like guys, like look at that. It's got the star on it. It's got all the little details. Man, that thing is beautiful. Even this, look at the snowy tank too. Yo, that's so sick. I think this is the destroyed one right here, so that could be used as like a prop. That's also a destroyed one. Probably get some fires going and stuff, but pretty cool. Just leave those there. Those are sick though. Very cool. Oh, yo, you got the little like stealth bomber type thing. Yo, did you guys know? You want a fun fact before I go real quick? By the way, I'm still gonna be live, but I'm gonna be over on Kick. So guys, click that link up in the pinned comment, drop a follow over on the Kick channel, and come hang out because we're gonna be live on Kick playing Among Us. So I need you guys over there. Sean, Bobby, LT, me, PC, Sky, Chicken, Pretzel, Unknown. You pick the rest. All right, guys, you heard it. That's the name right there. That's the people that are going to come play. So if y'all want to come play, you guys got the invite from Bobby, all right? Not from Bobby, from Dom. What am I saying? I'm losing my mind. What's Kick? Click that link, man. It'll take you right to my Kick account, Tofu. It's another streaming platform, buddy, okay? I'm going to be live over there, full screen. We're going to be doing it. It's going to be a good time, okay? But, guys, thank you for tuning into the YouTube stream tonight. Appreciate y'all being here. Dom, huge shout out to you, man. Literally gifted 20 members tonight. That is absolutely amazing, man. I can't thank you enough. Seriously, bro. That's seriously awesome. You got picked to come play Among Us with us tonight. If you want to, Dom invited you, man. Sean, Bobby, me, obviously Dom, PC, Sky, Chicken, Pretzel, Unknown, and whoever else. So just let me get you guys in there. You got Twitch. Come get Kick, bro. Come get Kick, guys. I'm going to be hanging out on Kick. We're starting our Kick career up, starting from yesterday, moving forward. We're going to make a big comeback on Kick, all right? So tune into that. But, hey, boys, I'm going to be hopping off this. So thank you once again for hanging out here. Let me just close this out. I'm going to save the other one because we got it all to work. I'm going to keep my Roblox open in case anything good pops up for us because you never know, right? You never know. Something good might pop up. And then, like, yeah, we got this working out. Like, we could just reuse all this. This is amazing, guys. This is so good. So good. I'm so happy we got that to work. So happy we got that to work. Like, thank goodness. Yeah, I got to get that Roblox group roll. Yep. I will do that. Nope. Sleep. That's not important. Nope. Still going. No. We're not going to be streaming on YouTube anymore, man. I'm on Kick. Yes, sir. Dom's on Kick. All right, boys. We're good. Let's close this out, and I'll meet you guys on over there. All right. Have a good night, everyone that's on YouTube. Like I said, last chance. Come hang out with us. We're still going to be live over on Kick. I'd love to have you guys. Yo, Junior with the $5. Hey, I'm back. It's been about 1 year since I've donated big amounts, but don't be afraid. More big ones coming July. Yo, Junior, thank you so much, brother, for the $5. If you want to come play with us, Junior, we're going to Kick, and we're going to be playing Among Us, man. So I'd love to have you come play in the crew, buddy. It's going to be lots of fun. So come on over to Kick. If you don't have an account, come make one. Just make it like junior.pet or something so I know it's you, buddy. And then we're going to have a good time, okay? Is making a new streamer. His mind just broken. We're making this stream. It's going to be the same stream, guys. Kick is very easy to just change the title and stuff. Armored, if you know how, change my status. If you don't know how, I'll do it in a minute. But thank you, Joe Jr. I appreciate that. Come to the Discord. Come to my Kick channel. And we're going to start up Among Us, man. I'd love to have you come play, okay? It's going to be lots of fun. But I'm going to get this going now. I'll see you guys on over there. Adios, okay? Someone taking my name and Kick. Sean, no way. They took your name and Kick. But yeah, guys, I'm going to be over on Kick now. So come over, hang out, all right? It's going to be fun. I'll meet you over there. Adios. I don't have Discord. Oh, no. Download Discord if you're able to, brother. And join that because you have to be in the group call to actually play because otherwise, how are you going to know, like, what's going on? Change the title. Yeah, the title, the categories, that. If you could do that, Armored, I'd appreciate that. If you can't, don't worry. I'll be over there to do it in a minute. But see you guys on Kick.